Lillian, tell us about your Thanksgiving.
I was just eating some food with me and all my friends.
All your friends?
Yeah.
Who do you have here at the table with you?
Rona.
Rona's down there. Who else do we have here at the table?
Lily.
Who are your friends right here?
The man and the girl and that turkey.
That's for your Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Can you be sad? Oh, sad Thanksgiving. Lillian, be sad. She's so sad. She's such a sad little girl.
Can I see that?
No, you be sad.
Cheese.
I think she's sad this time. Be sad. Poor little girl. She's so sad.
Can I see it?
Alright, you gonna read the story?
Yeah. Do you see everything?
Yes, I see it.
Cheese, please.
Hello? Okay, cheese please.
Cheese, please.
Alright, are you gonna tell us our story?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. What's the story?
Ready.
I thought you were gonna read it to us.
Mama, when you say that, oh, when you rang you, hey, with all you have with my dad.
Lillian, you're making words up, sweetie.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna read. Tell the story to us.
I can't,
Why?
because I don't know.
You don't know what?
I don't know how to read it,
Well, make up a story for us.
but I can't make up.
Why's that? You don't know how to make up?
Yeah.
Be sad. Oh, she's so sad. Lillian, what have you got?
The animals too. I thought all of them.
Milby.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's up. Didn't you see the thing up there?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a movie. Will you watch it today?
I can watch it on my computer.
Probably. We can watch it down here on the big TV.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right.
What you got there, Lily?
Now we need to put something for its eyes.
Lily, give me a big smile. What are you working?
Smile.
Yeah, well, what are you working on?
Smile. I'm working with my mommy man.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What have you got, sweetie?
Whoa.
What is it?
It's for your movie. It's orange. I'll put his little money.
What have you got, sweetie?
Look. There's lots of lip
Lots of
gloss.
no, open another one. Lip gloss.
Hey, look. Grandma has these. Grandma. 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 And then they couldn't eat their snack just for Bible school because they loved it.
bicyclist.
Keep your eyes on the road. Alright, sweetie, we're going to turn in here, okay? Take a slow path. Now turn. Keep pushing. Daddy's got you in video.
For next